Everybody, this is Zach Warren here at Phillips Chevrolet Hyundai and RV, and I'm here with Tom, who just purchased a 2018 Sonata Sport from us. Now, you drove from the suburbs of Chicago.
That's right.
Was it worth the drive?
Yes, it was. We got exactly the model that we wanted, and I'd have to say that it's been a painless experience, and dealing with Cody has been a pleasure.
And it's a pleasure to be dealing with you. And if you are ready for your next car, when it is, are you going to come back to me and purchase it?
There's a good chance of that.
And would you recommend your friends and family to us?
Yes.
All right, well, thank you again, Tom. And if you have any kind of questions down the road, I'm here for you. And if you guys have questions about new or used vehicles, give me a call. Zach Warren here at Phillips Chevrolet Hyundai and RV. We'll be seeing you.